I, Eliao George Beriam, being returning officer for Buyende Electoral District, pursuant to the Parliamentary Election Act Cap 177, declare Magogo Moses Hussein duly nominated under NRM ticket as a candidate to contest the election of Member of Parliament for Bukedea East Constituency in the Buyende District. Congratulations.
I wish you well as you get out of this place. Much as you have been nominated, please don't conduct campaigns, but you can address your voters in a place that you already arranged with security. And campaigns will be starting in November 10th. During this period, we shall request you to pick or to call on your officer.
A member of parliament go and oppose. You're taking in people who have no competition because you know I have competition on him. Because you know I can put him out. There's a problem in Bukedea. There are kings and queens of Bukedea here. There are people who are supposed to be nominated and others are not supposed to be nominated. Am I not a Ugandan? Am I not a Ugandan? You come here, you bring people. People have entered here. Who phoned me? I came here at 1 o'clock. You're bringing in people. You're taking out. You're taking out. The DPCD has to give me permission to enter. To enter into a nomination place, a nomination area when I am a candidate. Shame on you. Does the issue know this? Does Mr. Biabakama know what is happening in Bukedea? You're just corrupt here. You're doing nothing here but being corrupt. On Anita's case, you have to throw out mercy because you know they don't have support on the ground. They are shaky. If you have money, bribe the voters then. You should stop this impunity. Even the president of Uganda goes into competition. Who are you? Who are you?
We come here at 1 and
I came here at 1. You're putting in people. You're accepting people who phone me here. Unfair on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, security. Shame on you who think that this Bukedea is for you. This Bukedea is for all of us. We are all Tessos.
How did he get into the car and how did he move out?
You can't make
because
us
the
sit
person
outside.
They say is in.
You can't make us sit here.
The gate.
Because you know they don't have support on the ground. They are shaky. If you have money, bribe the voters then. You should stop this impunity. Even the president of Uganda goes into competition. Who are you? Who are you?
We come here at 1 and
I
then
came here at 1. You're putting in people. You are accepting people who phone me here. Unfair on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, security. Shame on you who think that this Bukedea is for you. This Bukedea is for all of us. We are all Tessos.
How did he get into the car and how did he move out?
You can't make
Because
us
the
sit
person
outside.
they say is in.
Anita, I, Dr. Tagodoy, as chair of the commission, now declare Right Honorable Anita Among as elected and opposed. Those in favor, say aye.
Nsekeredde nnyabo abatanda bakutegeera mulamu waki gwe tuvuga. Anita Amongo Thomas Tayebwa ne bakyalibo muvuddeyo ne mwerangirira sofa ba NRM MPs basatu bo bagenze dda muno mu parliament. Amongo akoze statement n'agamba nti ye agenda okubeera speaker w'omu parliament eddaka ey'e12 era ng'omumyuka we ye Tayebwa. Amongo omanye ekijja kati wano bannayuganda ffenna olutusande okubeera charged. Kyagulanyi atukyajinze ekimala ate Kyagulanyi atuloze n'abantu batagenda kukola mu gavumenti ye nabbanja ono balamu mwe babagobye dda olwoba Kyagulanyi esatamuize ekizembane njagala ngattire ku lisiti ne Anita Amongo ne Tayebwa nabo bagatteko nti obagobye lwati okategedde abantu tulina okusituka engeri okanje tugenda okujja ku gavumenti ya Museveni is through the protest vote. Kubanga borede bakulaze nti government endako bagirimu ate be bagenda okuba ne speaker batya nga tulina Jowero Ssenyonyi asobola okubeera speaker tulina bano ba SG asobola okubeera speaker mu government endaka ya NUP ogaye muno ogenda kubeera speaker gwe temumanyi muliro gwe muzannyisa gwe Kyagulanyi yakuma do omuliro gwe yeffe bafuutu soja bagenda okujjako Museveni ebyaddala kinsonga lwaki abasajja naguno gujja balwana. Anita Amongo jukira oye dictator in the making. Ate Anita Amongo ayinza okubeera omubi ennyo n'okusinga Kimoozi ekitamiivu kubanga oyo ye akoze kyamaanyi nnyo okulaga abantu be Bukedea nti bo tewaliyo omuntu balayinza kubategeera ng'ogyeko ye era ye alowooza abantu be Bukedea ye oluvaawo Anita Amongo Bukedea ejja kuba ekomya kitegenda kuba n'abakulembeze balala. How dare you block other people? Accept challenge, accept competition. Bwogamba olina abantu abakuwagira ku ground. People are not there. Okosa manyi na mundu nojja nosalya abantu. That impunity has to stop. Iyo impunity ino koma bannayuganda tulina okusituka fa balina okwesitukira. Tewali muntu mulala ekimala enough is enough. Yes. Bojja n'otunulira abawagizi ba NRM balabemba mukama emmere togibawa basule enjala ebalume batokote ekiro bakube emikejjo kumukumu ng'enjala ebasimbye daba ebinnyo laba muzeeyi talina future maama yazaala akaana talina kiddako ono muwala we ennaku enjereero ebajjudde n'osigala ng'okyalonda yero olina ekikyamu tolonda kintu kyonna kya yero.
Even if I'm not an opposed, I'll come back on the day of elections and I will be voted by 98%.
What will you do?
I don't know if she comes. If she doesn't come, well and good. But even if 10 come, I will get 99% because of the works, because of the things that I've done in Bukedea. You are in this place here. This is a hospital which is giving free services to the people of Bukedea. That is a nursing school that offers half fees for the students that come and study here. That is the school there, secondary school, that is offering free education for girl child. There is another secondary school there. There is a stadium where we have just been. All that people want in an area is development. People want people who can be able to bring back home. I would have chosen to build that school in Kampala, where I know that there is ready market and I can get a lot of money. But because I feel if each of us tries to develop their own areas, we will develop Uganda.
What do you